Hello friends, traders and investors, welcome to our channel Day Traders Lab. So our main agenda is to identify and analyze the next key support and resistance level for the Nifty and Nifty Bank for the next week, that is 9th to 13th November 2020. And before analyzing these levels, let's understand what was the performance of the last week of the Nifty and Nifty Bank. So this is our agenda. So what is the performance of the Nifty and the Nifty Bank performance? What are the weekly gains and losses? What will be the technical levels, that is Nifty forecast and Nifty Bank forecast for the next week. Let's get started. So this is the performance of the Nifty. So as you see on the 2nd November, this is a very high volatile market on that particular day, and finally it is ended up with 26 points gain. And on the 3rd November, it is ended up with the 144 points. It's a huge, it's a big gain on that particular day. And on the 4th November, it is ended up with 95 points gain. And on the 5th November, it is a big gap up opened, as you see, and it is again a big gain, more than 200 points, that is exactly 211 points on that particular 5th November. And on 6th November, again a gap up and again ended up with the 143 points gain. So as you see on overall market in the Nifty, so it is a positive uptrend. As you see, positive trend has been continued for the continuous whole week. So on summary, Nifty is opened at 11,697 and which has made 11,557 as low, and high as 12,280, and finally closed at 12,263 with a gain of 621 points compared to the last week. And as you see the Nifty Bank, this is a strong week Nifty Bank. It has been continuously shown the positive trend over the whole week. So on the 2nd November, it is a big gain. It is a 991 points, and 3rd November again it is a gain of 790 points. On 4th November, as you see, volatile market, and again it is ended up with 88 points gain. And on 5th November again it is a big gain, 541 points on 5th November. And on 6th November again it is gain of 485 points. So it is Nifty is very strong this week, and this is the strong support to the Nifty. And as on overall, so Bank Nifty opened at 24,367 and which has low made 24,120 and high as 26,853, and finally closed at 26,798 with a gain of 2,898 points compared to the last week. That's huge. So as you see the top gainers and losers of Nifty, so UPL is the top loser with the loss of 6.8%, Bharti Infratel 3.3%, Reliance 1.2% down, Vedanta 1% down, Maruti 0.8% down. As you see, Indus Bank is the top gainer with the gain of 26.1%, and SBI 15.8%, Bajaj Finance 14.3%, Bajaj Finserv 12.8%, ICICI Bank 12.8% up. So as you see on whole in Nifty, UPL is the top loser and IndusInd Bank is the top gainer. In Bank Nifty, so as you see, as I said, so Nifty Bank is the very strongest uptrend has been shown in this week. So with very we can very only one thing is shown in the negative is S Bank, that is down with 0.81%, and IndusInd Bank is the top gainer with the 26.2%, percentage, and SBI 15.8 percentage, ICICI Bank 12.8 percentage, Kotak Bank 11%, RBL Bank 10.8 percentage. So on overall, so only we can consider the gainer this week in Nifty Bank. So 26 percentage with Indus Bank is the top gainer of the week in Nifty Bank. So this is the main agenda to understand the technical levels and in terms of resistance and support levels of Nifty for the next week. So before going to, I request you guys please subscribe to our channel and watch this video entire till end, so that you will understand the what are the important key levels and what are the going to be the next resistance support levels throughout the week. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share please. Let's get started, let's continue. So right now the for the this week, last week on November 6th, it is closed at 12,263, and let's see. So these are all the important key levels to decide uptrend or downtrend for the Nifty. So 11,900 and 12,150, these levels will decide whether it's going to be uptrend or downtrend. So if sustained above, Nifty is sustained 12,150 above that, so what is the next resistance? So if it is sustained about 12,300, and if sustained about 12,500, 12,750 and 13,000 plus, it can be possible, of course, based on the movement, because as we see the US election results outcome is still awaiting. So, and if you see the support, so if Nifty is sustained below 11,900, so this is the important key level. Immediate support is 11,800, and the other consecutive support levels are 11,500, 11,300 and 11,000. It is possible for this week on a whole. So if sustained above 12,150, these are all the till 13,000 can be possible if sustained each resistance level, and if sustained 11,900 below 11,800 to 11,000, it can be possible. These are all the consecutive support levels of Nifty for the week. If you see for the Nifty Bank is closed at 26,799 on November 6th. So let's see what is the key levels and the key resistance and support levels. So these the important levels are 24,000 and 24,200. If sustained above, sorry about that, so the important key levels are 25,500 and 26,300. If sustained above 26,300, so the next immediate resistance is 27,000, and the next resistance level above, if sustained 27,000, is 27,700, 28,600, 30,000 is possible for this week. If it is sustained below 25,500, so what is the immediate support is 24,800, and if sustained below that 24,100, 23,200 and 20,500 is possible. On a whole, if sustained above each resistance level, the maximum minimum and is 27,000 to 30,000 is possible in this week, and if sustained below 25,500, so 24,800 to 20,500 it is possible in this week, the next week, 9th November to 13th November. Thank you guys for watching and taking your time to watching this video, and please follow us on Telegram channels and on social media as well. Thank you. Please do subscribe, like, comment for any queries or suggestions, and please share as well. Thank you so much.